What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we take a look at different stocks and do a technical analysis and give a buy, hold, or sell opinion on a given stock. I'd like to start off by prefacing that I am not a financial expert nor advisor. I'm just some random dude on YouTube, so take what I say with a grain of salt. However, today we are going to be looking at MARA, Marathon Patent Group Incorporated. Now, I have to admit that this is not a stock that I have a position in. However, I found this stock on StockTwits, and it has piqued my interest as a potential stock to invest in for a future swing trade. So let's take a look at MARA as a company. So MARA is a mining company that pretty heavily coincides with Bitcoin. And what is really interesting about this stock is it broke a record this morning. Bitcoin broke a record Wednesday morning when it rose above $20,000. And if you look back on the stock on Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, you saw a pretty immediate increase in price along with that, and then that continued into today. Specifically in the after hours market, you saw a significant jump in valuation of the stock price. Now, this is Wednesday, so what was the catalyst that forced the stock up on Tuesday? Well, if we go back and look at the company, they had announced last week that they're expanding their Bitcoin mining operations. The company is acquiring another 10,000 S19J Pro ASIC miners that will bring its total miner count up to 33,560 of these devices. And as of that moment, MARA stock was up 20% on the given day. So let's take a look at technical analysis on this stock. What I really enjoy seeing in a swing trade deal is not a pump and dump movement of price valuation, which you do not see in MARA as a stock. So if we look at Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, if we look at Tuesday, when you saw an increase in price valuation, you see a low here of about $5.35. On Wednesday, you see a low of about $5.60. And then as it shoots up on Thursday even more, the lowest price that you see is at the initial market open limit order sell-off, which is sitting at about $7.65. Again, on Friday, the lowest price that you see is $9.03. So as we're progressing through each given day when the stock is rising, you are seeing a new support level being driven up each individual day. It is stair-stepping up and up and up. So you are not just seeing buyers that are pumping their money into the stock and immediately taking profits and getting out of the company. You are seeing people that are genuinely interested in possible swing trade deals or long-term investments into MARA as a company. Now, what does this mean? It means there might be potential upside growth still for this stock. Will I personally be getting into the stock at $9.47? Probably not. I think you are going to eventually see a price correction, as is always the pattern within the market. I think you might possibly see this support level here at $8.65 as a good support line, and if it breaks below this, you have another support here in the after hours sitting at about $8.70, as I was at $7.20. So these both could be potential entry points for future trades. So what would I do in this given situation? If you were holding a position in the stock, I would say wait until pre-market opens, because you see a pattern here. If you're a swing or day trader, you need to pay attention to patterns in a stock. You do see a pattern of initial limit order buys into the stock once pre-market opens. You see it here as well. A pretty significant rise in pre-market orders the last 3 days. So I would pay attention to the pre-market and get a gauge for if you see a repeat in trend in the stock. If you do see a repeat in trend in the stock, you can probably assume that you're going to see another consolidation phase unless some significant catalyst pushes it over the edge, because these past 2 days during actual market hours, you are only seeing some up and down price movement within a pretty specific price range. So if you are a bag holder at the moment, I would not be too scared of a major price correction. I think you have great opportunity to take profits. If you do not hold a position in this stock, I would not buy at this given moment. However, I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so do not just take my advice as some random dude on YouTube. But if I was to get into the stock, I definitely would not buy in at this given moment. I would wait until you see a price correction down to one of these 2 support levels. There is a lot of volume coming in on this stock on a given day, way above average. So the past 2 days, you're looking at a 5-minute time frame. The high here is almost 4 million shares. The high here is it's just over 3 million shares. And before that, you were seeing a 5-minute trade volume of, between 50,000 and 200,000, 375,000. So significant increase, which drives up the volatility of the stock. And if you continue to see this high, above average, abnormal volume trading going into the stock, there is potential for this to continue running up. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you for coming to the channel. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I'd love to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the week. I will be putting out videos like this every single day. And if we could get this video to 100 views, that would be amazing. Please drop any stocks that you would like me to take a look at in the comments down below. Let me know if you have a position in this stock. And that is all I have for you today. Thanks for coming, and see you guys next time. Peace.